Hello everybody, unboxing time again. Fromis 9 from our Memento box. Ordered this one from Sarang Hello, the Bay Area's original K-pop store. I am located in the Bay Area, so that priority shipping is very cheap. But unfortunately, it's like a hassle to like cross a bridge and like pick it up, you know? You know. Alright, so Fromis 9 just got their 5th win today. Very hype time. A very exciting time. They're getting what they deserve. Fromis 9, Visual 9. Very talented 9. Fromis 69 is actually my my username on Overwatch. Alright, so it looks like there's some stuff here. No freebies with this album. They have a CD separate. Oh my gosh. There's some photo cards. Okay. Yeah, no like pre-order bonus. Kind of a short preview there of what's to come. These look like lyric cards. They are. Dude, I love this Stay This Way. I love their B-sides. Loving the outfits. I'm loving Jihyun's shoulder bounce in that like really nice stage. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Y'all real ones know what I'm talking about. Have a Hayoung bookmark that looks like. I don't read. This is the sticker. I kind of saw their video of them unboxing it and Ji-sun saying that you should put this on the back of your iPad to find other Flovers. Oh, this is like a code? Participate in the survey and get Weaver's shop cash. Okay. Only 2, here's another like bookmark. Only 2 photo cards. Soyeon Guri. Very nice. I did order separately. It's only like an like a Weverse. It was only here's the CD. It was only a Weverse offering the crystal jewel case, which is like Jewel, like the country singer, not like Juul for you vape gods. Jewel case. I actually bought that on not through Weverse. I actually bought that through eBay from a purchaser, from a seller actually, that I've ordered a lot of stuff from. I ordered a lot of like individual photo cards from that user. Okay, just flipping through it. I'm gonna flip from the back. It looks good. Chaeyoung. G1. Nagyang. Alright, looks like we're just gonna have to do it like this. Yeah, this comeback has been amazing. I'm glad they got all these wins. It's like much deserved, and I don't know. I just think that they're a super talented group, you know? Visually, and their personalities are really great. I watched like all of their like bonus material, like Channel 9 and all their other promotions, and they're a very funny group. They got good vibes. All right, that is the first version. All right, second version. If I could get it open, actually. Maybe I should have like I used to pre-tear these, but I was so excited that when they came in. All right. Alright, the contents of this stuff is like very thick. I'm having trouble taking off the sleeve. I actually don't know if I'm gonna put the sleeve back on after. Okay. Get on the floor and show me some more. Right. Sticker again. Blank, just the logo of a bookmark. G1. There we go. Looks like the same exact cards, so we don't have to go through this. Nagyung and Jisun, very nice. There are actually 0 pulls. 0 pulls that I'd be disappointed in for this. Love all of them. I've ordered all 3 of these. I ordered the autographed one on just one version actually this time on M-Wave. I've gotten their Talk and Talk album autographed from there. It takes a while to ship because it's overseas. I've actually gotten 2 versions from, I think it was their We Go comeback autographed. Dude, the shipping is really expensive, so I only ordered 1. I couldn't afford to buy the 3. Like I probably could have, but I mean, I'd have so many of the same albums. A little different because it's autographed, but I'm also impatient, so ordering these 3 were like imperative. Like I couldn't just wait for the autographed ones. While I know that everyone else has albums before me. I think I prior to their comeback, they said that Gyuri would be like busy during the promotions, and I think the It's Live performance that just came out like last night was the first time in promotions that was without Gyuri. I thought it was going to be a lot more, so I kind of forgot that she was going to be excluded because she's like in a Netflix drama, y'all. You remember when she was the nurse, like the front desk nurse from It's Okay to Not Be Okay? If you haven't watched it, she's very cute in it. And there is a section where she's leading a dance, I think, like stretching, like it was like a Pilates class. No, Pilates, it's like a Taibo class. All right, that is, what version was this? The Dream version. All right, one more version. Hopefully keep this video short-ish, because like my prior videos, I've been unboxing 4 albums, and they've been like 16 minutes and longer. And dude, nobody wants to watch a video that long. For real. This is memory version. Okay, so this time's I guess the stickers match. Obviously, the album, Chaeyoung, very nice. Song cards, looking exactly the same, but the colors are kind of different. Colors do look kind of different. Nagyung and Soyeon, very nice. Dude, Nagyung is my bias, so I'm very, like, Nagyung, Hayoung, Jihyun, my biases. Actually, I love them all, but, like, you know. For Twice and Fromis, I love them all. I love them all, but I love a couple members a little more. Alright, so this version looks like the one that the photo shoot from when they went to Saipan. Oh my gosh. Okay, so if you're looking for a more visual one, I mean they're all nice, but we got one version like with the office attire, then the other, and this one got the beachwear, the summer, like really matching the summer concept. Like, look at that. This is the concept they're going for. So if you wanted to just buy one version, I suggest probably just getting this one, because I mean you could choose between the three if you like more, but look at that. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. I have a dog at my door. Oh my gosh, look at that. And that's it. Fromis 9. Oh my gosh. Dude, when they posted this picture of her on Instagram, sent it to all my friends. Saying, dudes, my dudes, look how beautiful G-Sun is. Yep, that's it. Fromis 9. Thanks for watching.